Namaste to all. I am here the question paper of class 6 of DAV Public School half yearly examination of mathematics. Here are the questions in 4 sections A, B, C and D. Each questions of section A of 1 marks, section B of 2 marks, section C of 3 marks and section D of 4 marks. Then MCQ type questions in section A. First question, the estimated value of 36 plus 71 minus 55. The estimated value of 36 is 40 because it is the 1's place is 6. 71 is round up to 70, 55 round up to 60. 40 plus 70, 110 minus 60, 50. So right option is B. Question second, which of the following is a greatest negative number? Greatest negative number is minus 1 and others are less than minus 1. So option 1A minus 1 is right option. Question 3, dash into LCM equal to product of numbers. It is the property SCF into LCM equal to product of numbers. So option A of question number 3rd. Question 4, the number of diagonals in a pentagon is 5. Total number of diagonals in a pentagon because it is 5-sided polygon. So it has 5 diagonals. So option D is right. Question 5, a line segment has 2 endpoints. So right option is C. Question 6, the side opposite to vertex XYZ and opposite side of vertex X is YZ. So right option is A. Question 7, the opposite edge of a rectangular blackboard are parallel lines. Opposite edges जो होता है rectangular blackboard का वो parallel lines show करता है. Question A, a triangle can have 3 exterior angles. So right option is C, 3. Question 9, a CF of 2 number given 16 and their product is 64 and the property is LCM into SCF equal to product of numbers. So LCM equal to product of numbers by SCF. So 6400 by 16 means 400. So right option is B, 400. Question 10, a plane extends endlessly in all directions. So right option is C. Question 11, 3 or more lines passing through the same point are called concurrent lines. So option A is right. Question 12, minus 1 to the power 6 is plus 1 and minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1 and 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So right option is C. Question 13 is case based study questions. Here is one triangle given, a right angle triangle ABC. First question is opposite side of vertex A. Vertex A, their opposite side is BC, so right option is B. Question second, opposite side of vertex B is AC, so right option is A. Question third, vertex opposite to side AB equal to C, so right option is D. Question 4, opposite vertex to side BC, opposite vertex of side BC is A, so right option is A. What is the measure of angle B? It is 90 degrees, so right option is D. Question 14, here is given 2 parallel lines L and M and N is transversal line. Question asked during the game where which is transversal line. So here N is the transversal line. Question second, which is vertically opposite to angle 1. Angle 1, their vertical opposite angle is 2 but not in 2 options. So right option is non B. इसमें से कोई नहीं. Question third, which is the corresponding angle of angle 1. Angle 1 का corresponding angle 3. So right option is B. Question 4, which lines are parallel? Here are L and M parallel given. So L and M. So right option is B. Question 5, which is vertically opposite to angle 4? Vertical opposite of angle 4 is 3. So right option is C. Now question 15, write the Roman numeral for each of the following. 48, XL means 40 and VIII means 8, 48. Second 66, LX means 60 and VI means 666. Question 16, estimate 234 estimated as a 200, 649 is estimated as 600 and 186 round up as 200. 200 cancel, so 600 left. Either you can add 200 plus 600, 800 minus 200, that is 600. Question 17. Draw a line segment of length 6.5 centimeter. By using the ruler, you can draw a line segment of 6.5 centimeter. Question 18. Write the complement of the following. The complement of 71 degrees. Complement means sum of two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. So 90 minus 71 equal to 19 degree. 19 degree. Second question, the complement of 60.5 degree is 90 minus 60.5, that is 29.5. So right answer is 29.5. Question 19, how many degrees are there in 5 by 6 of a straight angle? 5 by 6 of a straight angle means 180 degrees, 30 into 6, 180, so 30 into 5, 150 degree. Question 20, LCM of 40, 48 and 45 by long division method. So we can find out the LCM by this method, and LCM will be 720. Question number 21, the define of linear pair. The define of linear pair is two adjacent angles whose non-common arm form a straight line is called linear pair. And second is collinear pair. Collinear pair either points. Three or more points lie on a straight line are called collinear points. It is the define. Question number 22, here is the figure given, and question asks the pair of corresponding angle. Here the pair of corresponding angle is 2 and 6, another pair is 3 and angle 7. So two pairs are. Now question number 23, use the number line and write the number which is 7 more than minus 8. So minus 8 right side we move the 7 a step and we will arrive at minus 1. So 7 more than minus 8 is minus 1. Second, 5 less than 2 means from 2 we will move in left side at 5 places. So we will arrive at minus 3. So 5 less than 2 is minus 3. Question number 24, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into 4, 16. Question B, 25 plus 14 divide 5 minus 3 in bracket. First we should do the calculation of bracket. 5 minus 3 is 2 and 14 if divided by 2 it will give 7, and at last we can add 25 plus 7, that is 32. Question 25, here is a triangle ABC given. Question say that write the sides here is AB, BC and AC, total 3 sides. Angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, 3 angles, and vertices is A, B, C, total 3 vertices. Question 26, here is the one angle given, and question asks x plus 47 is 90 degree because it makes the complement. Either you can also take it is line of symmetry. Here x equal to 90 minus 47 equal to 43. Question 27, here question say that draw parallel lines. Here we have drawn line L parallel M, and N we have taken a transversal line. Question asks write a pair of alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angle. Here we have naming, and we have written 1 5 is alternate interior, 4 angle 4 and angle 6 is also alternate interior angle. And the second question, angle 2 and angle 8 is alternate exterior, and angle 3 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angles. It will be exterior angles. यहाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 सेकेंड एंगल 2 एंगल 8 एंड एंगल 3 एंगल 7 आर अल्टरनेट एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स। यहाँ इंटीरियर एंगल्स लिख दिया हूँ, यहाँ एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स होगा ये पेयर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 और ड्रॉ ए बी ऑफ 3.8 सेंटीमीटर एंड सी डी 2.5 सेंटीमीटर एंड देयर सम इज 6.3, so one line segment PQ of 6.3 centimeter. Now LCM and SCF of two numbers 180 and 6, find other number where is 30 is one number. And question number 28, product of numbers equal to LCM into SCF. Here one number is 30, other number, and LCM 180 into 6, other number equal to 180 into 6 equal to 30, 36 ja 180, 6 ja 36. Question number 29, supplement of 110 degree is 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. Supplement of 96.5 equal to 180 minus 96.5, that is 83.5. The supplement of 82 degree is 180 minus 82, that is 98, because the two angles whose sum is 180 are called supplementary angle. Question 30, number given 2,94,414, sum of its digit is 24, and since 24 is divisible by 3 but not by 9, so the given number is also divisible by 3 but not by 9. 30b, sum of digits here is given, their sum is 18, 18 is divisible by both 3 and 9, so the number 1,45,404 is divisible by both 3 and 9. Question number 31, A, you should draw an angle of 30 degree and naming ABC is 30 degree. You can draw by the using of protractor and compass also. Question number second, 120 degree, here XYZ is 120 degree. Question number 31, or minus 2 cube is 8, 5 square is 25, minus 10 square is 100, and their product is 8 into 25, 200, and into 100, and their product is 2 after 4 0 में 20,000. So the right answer is 20,000. In this way we have discussed the questions quickly, because videos ज़्यादा लंबा ना हो जाए. अगर इसके बाद भी आपको कोई दिक्कत है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू.